yourself in a situation where you're unable to run another Ethernet cable to your remote I/O? Here we will explain how easy it is to use one of our wireless modules, the 758-918 or the 758-919. Sometimes it is more convenient to have a wireless solution as opposed to running a new Ethernet cable through a structural wall, a control cabinet, or through a busy production line. Wago provides a simple solution using our wireless modules. By having two separate wireless modules, one acting as a wireless access point, and they're paired together, you are still maintaining all expected communications, but eliminating the physical Ethernet cable. The 758-918 has two mounting holes to allow you to mount to any flat surface and provides IP65 protection. The 758-919 is mounted as a through-hole installation of a cabinet. Doing this provides IP67 protection. Configuration of these wireless devices is fairly easy. Out of the box, these units will have a default IP address of 192.168.0.99. The status LED will indicate that it's trying to connect to another device. The easiest way to configure two devices together is to use the built-in web-based management. Connect an Ethernet cable to a remote client wireless device and power it up. Then go to a web browser and type in the default IP address for that device. You will set its easy configuration mode to the fourth option, which is await automatic discovery and configuration. Save and reboot, and then unplug that unit from the network. Connect an Ethernet cable to the master wireless device and power it up, and set its easy configuration mode to the fifth option, which is configure as wireless LAN access point and scan for clients. Save and reboot. Connect the remote device to its network. Cycle power on both units, and the wireless devices should pair to each other, making a secure wireless connection. With this wireless access point, you will also be able to connect to other wireless devices, like a phone or a tablet. As you have seen, Wago provides an easy solution to your wireless connection needs. Contact your local distributor or Wago's tech support to easily assist you.